today with the 2019 Levante. The Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover which gives drivers a taste of top-end acceleration, comfort, and handling. The crossover also provides the functionality needed to make this luxury vehicle perfect for all drivers. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.